Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a simple recipe. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my own pie crust, so please stay tuned and enjoy the video. For the crust you will need all-purpose flour, salt, cold water, butter. So butter from the fridge, actually you cut it in pieces, then lard or cooking fat. Though I haven't got cooking fat, so I decided to use sunflower oil, for alternative. So to make the crust, sift the flour and salt into a bowl, as I'm doing in this video right here. Cut in the butter and use potato masher to mash it for a bit longer, as I'm doing in this video. You mash it really hard. Make sure as you're mashing it, it's going all the way down to the bottom of the bowl. The potato masher is not, doing the job for me, so I decided to just use my hand and mix it together. Okay guys, so one thing I would like to say is that when you're mixing the dough, make sure you're pressing in the butter to ensure that the butter is penetrating into the flour. After some times of mixture, so I had a little bit sunflower oil to mix it. It has been like 2 to 3 minutes that I've been mixing it now, and I mix it until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Yeah, as you can see how see how it looks like breadcrumbs. So when you see it's like that, then sprinkle with cold water and mix until the dough holds together. As you can see in this video, I'm using 20 ml spoon to sprinkle the water bit by bit so that I don't put too much water. So my advice is that when you're making it, make sure you put either 20 ml at a time, or you use a tablespoon to sprinkle water at a time, because you don't want your dough to get too wet. If you get too wet, then it won't form the crust that you want it to. So this is the dough after 7 to 8 minutes of mixing it. You can see it's starting to form the dough that I want. I'm getting excited already. Look at the dough, how it's forming. This is exactly what I want it to be like. Yeah, as you can see how the dough is forming. So when I pull it apart, it cuts straight away. It doesn't slime or anything. So now I'm gathering it into a ball shape. I'm flattening it into a disc shape. I'm wrapping it in a baking parchment paper. Then I'm going to be chilling it for at least 30 minutes then before I come back to it. So we come to the end of the video now. So I hope you like my method. Let me know if you like it in the comment section below. Just this dough, I'm going to be using it for mushroom and chicken pie. So in my next video I'll be showing you how to make the chicken and mushroom pie. Don't forget to like this video, share, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.